So, like, the first thing I do in the morning, as it's a new week, you have to be very sure you're not gambling your way through a high impact news. So we first of all check. So I think today is Monday, Monday 6 to 10 on your Forex factory, and you apply the settings. And this automatically brings us, because I already removed all the unnecessary stuff that I don't need, and just leave the news that I use. So by today now, on Monday, we had the red folder news, although not really an high impact news, but I'll still consider it while trading. Then there's no news on Tuesday. We have FOMC meeting minutes by Wednesday. Then we have a lot of news from Wednesday to Friday, especially Friday. Friday is CPI, which will be our main objective for the week. So now that I'm sure about the Monday news, everything that's on Monday, I will head over now to my charts. Okay, yes, it's on NQ. I think I prefer to start from the daily, as always. The higher time frame carry the narrative, so I prefer beginning my day from the daily, my point of view from the daily, which is what I recommend. I use the daily as my higher time frame. So what do we have on the daily here? We have price being on a downtrend. Then as of last week, we have Monday range, Tuesday reversal, Tuesday sweep, a protected low and reverse. So currently, this Tuesday low is, I would say, a relevant low, because there is no other low to the left that I will consider it a failure swing. So this is a relevant low for Tuesday. Relevant, I will say, relevant swing. I'll put relevant swing there. That's Then it reversed. Wednesday continue. Thursday came into this range, sweep a relevant low here too. This is also a relevant low, because if you use the price separation method, this low, there's no other low to the left that will be a failure swing aside from this low. So this also was a relevant low. I will consider this a relevant low too, and this was a relevant low sweep. This was a sweep. So now that it's sweep, it did not close below it. It rejected from this level, which is a clear sign of reversal. And this is also a relevant swing now. This has also become a relevant swing. Relevant swing. We come into the new week now. Naturally, I'm supposed to let the Monday to print if there's no really an objective for me. But here on Friday range, Friday did not support the expansion that this Thursday provided. So Friday range, and now what we have here now is we have these failure swings above that we anticipate price to take to sweep from. So I will mark out my Friday low was relevant low. And as you can see, price has sweep it and reverse off it on the daily. This is what we want to see before we down to the lower time frame to look for confirmation. This is our bias. So my bias for today now, after looking at the hourly profile, is I'm bullish. Like, there's absolutely nothing that will make me to go bearish this Monday. So, and I'll be targeting these failure swings above, which, starting from this one as my high, as my closest fruit point. Also, that's it. That's it. And now let's go to the lower time frame to look for our confirmation. So now this is Monday. Where is the Monday opening price? I like marking it out. Monday 18. This is 18. Monday candle out. Monday. So as you can see, immediately price open, cap down into this low, sweep this low here. This is a low, sweep the low. This FVG here is a 4 hours FVG, 4 hours fair value gap. tap into the 4 hours fair value gap and rejected from it, close above it. So, and I don't like using the 4 hours. So, like, this is a clear Asia reversal. This is Asia. We call this Asia reversal. So, what we have here is Asia reversal, and what I'll do, what's on days like this when I see Asia reverse, I'll like this is change the state of delivery. Sorry, I'll mark it change the no, so now we had price gap down on the lower time frame, price gap down on the opening, then reverse. This is a clear Asia reversal on a daily profile. So what do we expect next now? What do we expect next? That if Asia reverse, London is expected to maintain that momentum and New York expand. So that's it. This is I won't. So now what the next step now is to wait for the 8 o'clock candle to form. Right now, this is all the information I have today. So nice, nice, nice. This is it now. This is I think almost it is 7 a.m. almost 8 a.m. to which is the New York Open, and this is 12 after 12 Nigeria time. Nigeria time. So just a little recap of our expectation. We have to start from the daily again, like the swing low, relevant low is still active, price has sweep a relevant low and reverse of it. Then if we go to the hourly where we use the daily profile for confirmation for 30 minutes, we can use 30 minutes too. So this is the Asia reversal. The Asia reversal. This was deep retracement into this FVG and see price bounce off it. So Asia did the reversal. London did maintain the move. London maintained the move after a little consolidation. It did break out and maintain the move. So this is what I want to see. And then remember we had the red folder news. So this is we still have a good bias. So as of today, like I really don't know why I took this entry in the first place. So because this entry, I don't know why we take this entry for here. Okay, 15 minutes here, 15 minutes, and for 15 minutes time frame. What made me take this entry? Like try sweep this place. He no do change it to delivery, but me I go take am. Send the mail change it to delivery for you. This would have been my own entry by the way. But I don't know what thing I see for here will make me go take this straight, man. When 9:30 still reach, like I I still take another entry for here. This one a very clean entry though. So this one not too much pay me like that because this one a price just do what you want to do. So that lower time frame because now you have my essay. So just come down, sweep on before you can go up small. You can still come back now. So the trade itself never still get hit by now. Well this trade here was a valid loss. This other trade here, this particular one was something like I see the phantom, but this is good. Day one.